section of my video, we'll be going through the concept of Lorentz force, which is the topic of chapter number 5 NCERT class 12th. Now, we had gone through the concept of force, that is, a basic push or pull is known as a force. But in this concept, we are taking the force on a charged particle. And the concept which we require to discuss here is of Lorentz force. The basic concept of Lorentz force says that if a charged particle exists at a place where both electric and magnetic field coexist at the same time, the combination of forces exerted on the charged particle due to electrical and magnetic both forces is known as Lorentz force. Let us go through the basic definition first. As the definition says that it is the force experienced by a charged particle moving in space where both electric and magnetic field exist is called Lorentz force. What is the magnitude of this force? Going in forward direction with the help of this definition, let us suppose the first thing, considering the first point, that is the charge is in electric field. Force experience by charge in electric field, which is expressed as F equals to QE. Let this be our equation number 1. Going through the second point, force experienced by charge in a magnetic field. F equals to Q V cross B. Let this be equation number 2, giving the subscript Fe for electric field and Fb for magnetic field. So we have calculated the two forces individually, that is the force experienced by a charge in electric field, force experienced by a charge in magnetic field. The combination of both these forces, that is the net force, which is equals to Fe plus Fb. The combination of two forces, these two forces will make a Lorentz force. Simplifying the expression by substituting the value as QE plus Q V cross B. Simplifying the expression, F equals to Q E plus V cross B. This force, this expression is known as the expression of Lorentz force. So as you can say that Lorentz force is simply a combination of force experienced by a charge in electric field and the force experienced by a charge in magnetic field. The combination of the two will make a Lorentz force. The direction of this Lorentz force can simply be calculated with the help of Fleming's left hand rule. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.